Alright, this is a practice video for Highland Holiday by David Giardinieri, the cello part. So you guys have a lot of rhythm stuff going on. You've got a lot of kind of drum beat things happening, but you do get some great melody moments in the section at 57 through, what is that, 89. So let's kind of take this in chunks. 6/8 time, we're in 1 sharp G major. So listen to the introduction with the violas and second violins. I'll cue you for those pizzicato. You can strum with your thumb. So just going across your G and C, and then your G and D, and let it ring really nicely. Same thing, all the way through, and then you're on different beats. So pizzicato you can take care of. At measure 20, we get into our first 9/8 bar. So 9/8 counted the same as 6/8, just one extra big beat. So 1, 2, 3, and so on. So that's where we're going to start. Watch your bowing here. That's going to start right at 20 under tempo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then here we are at 39, the first big song. All right, so at 39, you're going to be on these off beats. So if you want to do both notes, go ahead. Otherwise, stick to just the top note. So I'll do that for right now. We're going to be counting this in slow motion. 1, 2, 3, rest, 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 rest. So you want to make sure you're not coming in early and pushing the 8th note melody. Okay, so let's take 39. Just one time through, since the first and second endings are the same. And again, I'm just going to do the top note. So slow, but a little bit quicker than I just showed you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So just watch out that pick up to the first ending that you do those two notes right next to each other. All right, so you repeat that, go back to 39, take the second ending, and now here we are at 48, and this is kind of a combination of the rhythms you were doing earlier around 26 and these off beats that we were just doing. So here's 48, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. And then you repeat back to 48. Second ending is exactly the same. All right, so you've got that down. Not a big deal at all. Moving on now to the tune Good Christian Men Rejoice. This is going to take you into second position just a little bit so we can get up to those high E's. So if you're looking at your tapes, you're going to get to that very last tape. So we're going to start on your G. Watch your hook bows and slurs here. If it's messing you up, just take them out for now. All right, so here's the soli section, measure 61 with a pickup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I did a bad job writing stuff in for you guys. So you have the fingerings written in for the first time you do the melody and going to second position. I totally spoofed and did not put that in for you the second time when you play it at 77. So please just copy that stuff in. I'm also considering just taking some of these hook bows out to make it a little bit easier to play as well. So That's the main focus for this song for you guys, to make sure that middle section is sounding really good. Eventually a little bit faster. And so on. Now, one thing that you could simplify, if this is bugging you, it measures 66. You've got the dotted eighth, 16th, eighth. If that's too fast once we get up to tempo, just go, completely leave out that middle note, the C, and then same thing when you get to 82, it's totally fine. Just play the first and third notes of that figure. Okay, after that, you're in the clear because 96 is similar to what you're doing on page 1, like on 48. 105, same as 26. You get a little pizzicato and then just this ending. So let's do 113 to the end to wrap this up. So pizzicato on the second big beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rest. 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you can just play one note at the end, it's totally fine. If you're doing double stops, well, in any case, make sure you're in tune, but really check that first finger.